government job or private job. My dear is also thinking about it. So let's start the video. Hey guys, so let's start the video. But first of all, listen to me that I know that you always think that what should you do in your life, government job or private job. I know you always think. So my D is always thinking about it. So let's solve the my D's problem. So let's start the video. I already told you guys that she is sad. Teddy, can you explain us that why are you sad?
Yes guys, I am sad. You can look at my face. I am sad. Reason of that guys, I think you are thinking that why am I sad? Am I right? Yes, I have two choices. That's why. I am very confused. Which way is better for me? I think many people like as me also confused in their life. Am I right? Yes, what are you asking?
I'm asking you that why are you sad? Or you already told me that you are sad so. But which two ways is make you confusing?
Two ways, two sectors you can say. Yeah, first public sector and second private sector. Which sector is good for us? I am very confused for this.
So can you explain me that what sector do you want to take?
Yeah, first of all guys, many people choose the public sector. Reason of that because everyone can get many facility and many benefits are available in public sector. That's why they choose this sector. But I want to go in private sector. Reason of that because I want to do something different. You know what? I'm not.
Preview.
Guys, after choosing private sector, you can do everything and you have a lot of choices. Okay, if you do hard work, you can earn a lot because earning is depend on their hard work. So you can do everything in private sector.
Yes,
I think so. This feature, I mean this benefit, you can get in private sector. Okay, I think this benefit isn't available in public sector. That's why I like this sector.
But Chavi Didi, some years ago you told me that once you should go also into the government job.
Hey, listen. First of all, tell me what's your aim?
I want to be MBBS doctor.
Yeah, it means you want to be a doctor, right? Yeah, guys, you have to get your aim. You have to feel. I mean, you can get two benefits. First in private sector and first in of public sector. Why? Now you think why and how, right?
Yes, I'm thinking so.
So if you do work in private sector, you have also the benefit of public sector because many doctors want to be a MBBS doctor.
So you can also do job or in government job also.
But I want to know that you have to go in private sector. You don't want.
But you are also telling me that you should also use public sector. So you should also use public sector.
That's why. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. When I say to you, first of all I didn't like.
You are telling me that I can do both of jobs like private and public sector also. But please tell me that you can also use both.
No, I can't.
Why you can't tell me?
Because whatever I get benefit in private sector, I can't get in public sector.
So whatever I get benefit in private sector, I can't get in public sector. I also to me. So why are you telling me that you should also use public sector?
No one. Your matter is different to me.
How my matter is different to you?
Because you want to be a doctor and I want to be a CS. So that's too different.
Hey, listen, I got it. It means you are telling me that if you have seen post like a doctor, so you can also do government job because government job has also a doctor. And if you want to be CS, I don't know that CS is also available in government job, but I think that no, CS is not available in government job. So you should use private job because if you are thinking that I can use also government job, so you can use in different matter like a company. But you want to do only private job, so you can do. But if you have same course, so you can do both of them.
Yeah, I think guys you are also facing this problem.
So why you have poker face? Please do as I say.
I think guys, I think you are also facing this problem, public sector or private sector, because many people, I mean, we can say your relatives are also saying to you that I think you have to use this sector and you have to use this sector, and I think you are face a big confusion. Am I right?
That was correct.
Because I faced also this situation, but now I understood what should I do, because we have to listen ourselves, not another one. Okay, so if you want to go in private sector, you should choose this sector, and if you want to go in public sector, you should choose this sector, and both sectors are good at their place. Okay,
Describe the difference between public sector and private sector. Both are useful for you in their places. But the private sector is very good because we can do hard work and we can earn money
according to their work.
according to your work.
Yes.
But in the public sector, you can do hard work and you can also increase your money.
Yeah, I want to say something about the public sector, guys. First of all,
Because just think that there is two ways. The one way is full of pinch, and the second way is the full of flower. And everyone goes in the second way. And if you want to do different, so you should, and you have to go into the first way. That's why the first way is private sector and the second way is public sector. So I hope you understood the difference between private sector and public sector.
I want to say about sectors. Listen to me, guys. I'm not. First of all, guys, listen to me. Yeah, I am telling about private sector. Guys, I think that private sector is good because in public sector you can get fixed earning and many limitation is available in public sector. Okay, and private sector, if you have full of knowledge, okay, so you can do everything which isn't available in public sector, because in public sector you have get big barriers and big limitations and you have to do work under the limitation. So I think you have to choose the private sector. Now I am not telling to you, I am telling to me. Yes, Shavi, you have to choose the private sector, and I think once you should also choose the private sector because I like this sector, and you can earn. First of all, listen to me. You can earn money according to their hard work. How much are you doing and how much you are earning? It's depend on you.
Hey, listen to me. Tell me that how can you say that public sector is bad?
Hey, listen. I'm not telling so. Okay, I am saying that private sector is good, but both sectors are good. You know what?
In their
It's depend.
places.
Yeah, in their places. Because it's depend to you. You can do in private sector and you can do in public sector. It's depend on you. Okay, and your knowledge. Okay, how have you knowledge?
And also on your thinking. Because I want to say you a song in Hindi, that there is a song जैसा सोचोगे तुम वैसा बन जाओगे.
It is
Really
depend
is
on
very
their
on your
thinking.
thinking.
Yes.
So guys, this video is completed here, and think positive. Always be positive. And please say something.
Yes, yes, yes. And you can do according your thinking. First of all, guys, you can do everything because it's depend on your thinking. Okay.
Yes.
If you think that you can do in public sector, and I think public sector is easy for you, and private sector is easy for you. It's depend on your thinking. Okay. So think positive, and you can do.
Because our body do according to our mind as our mind thinks. So guys, always think positive. And if you are liking our videos, so also subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
And coronavirus is lovely. So save yourself and save your family
And say on the call and to the everyone that home okay please. Really, because this is the matter of life. Please don't play with life.
yes, it's not a joke. Okay.
Because life is no, we can't get life two times the same. So guys, stay home and stay healthy. Bye. Have a great day. And if you have a query, so you can comment us. We will make a next video for you.
And if you
Bye.
like our videos, you can like our channel